Hello, Chris Green here with the Flood Insurance Guru. Today we're talking about how your national flood insurance program might be worth gold, as the leprechauns say on St. Patrick's Day. So how in the world could your national flood insurance program policy be worth gold? Well, as you see this water here behind me, where this is normally a dry area, but the southeast and other parts of the country have received more rainfall in the month of February than they have in history. Tuscaloosa, Alabama had almost 16 inches of rain in the month of February, which sets an all-time record for them. Other cities across Alabama, it was at least in the top 5 for 5 different cities. So with all this rain, many private flood insurance companies are putting out what's called moratoriums, where they're not writing new business until these flood warnings go away, until the water goes down. So what happens is that leaves the National Flood Insurance Program really as your only option. So let's say you've got a buyer that's looking at purchasing 2 properties. Both of them are here on the lake in a special flood hazard area. However, one of them has a flood policy on there of about $900 a year and the other one doesn't. Well, customer goes to take out their new policy, finds out it's gonna be $4,000. Of course, customer walks, says, look, I can't afford that on this house. However, they come to look at your house, come to find out you have a National Flood Insurance Program policy that's transferable, and your premium is $900 because you took this out in a flood zone that's no longer available, and because of that, you have a grandfathered policy. This is where your National Flood Insurance Program policy now becomes gold. By being able to do that policy transfer and that policy assumption, you can transfer that risk over to the new buyer, as we've talked about before, locking in that rate, but also giving them a reasonable option for flood insurance when private flood insurance may not even be available. So if you've got questions about these policy assumptions, policy transfers, when do they make sense? When are they beneficial? When are they not? Then please reach out to us. FloodInsuranceGuru.com. Go to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page, Flood Insurance Guru, where we do these daily flood education videos. You can also give us a call, 205-451-4294. Remember, we have an educational background in flood mitigation, which means we can help you understand flood risks like this one right here, your flood insurance, and mitigating your property long term to help you minimize flood losses and flood premiums. Thank you.